presence of God is so real.
Khona kaNkulunkulu lapha.
Presence of God is so real.
Khona kaNkulunkulu lapha kimi.
Shout hallelujah.
Amazwi haleluya.
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 Shout hallelujah.
Shout haleluya.
Shout hallelujah.
If there's a thing that confuses the enemy, is to continue in God when He has messed up your life. One thing that confuses demons, how can you worship when everything is upside down? That thing confuses the devil. How can you worship